Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap, covering market moves in indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities for Thursday, April 9th, 2026. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. Key indexes were all up. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,823.94, gaining 41.12 points. It has continued a strong positive trend, closing up 7 consecutive days. Meanwhile, the Dow 30 index rose by 275.86 points to 48,185.79, with strong upward volatility for the third day. On the Brent side, the S&P 500 showed more advances than declines, with 282 stocks up. The Dow 30 had 20 stocks advancing versus 10 declining. In the Nasdaq Composite Index, 1,553 stocks advanced against 1,335 declines, continuing its positive trend with strong volatility. Focusing on total and daily returns, the Russell 2000 Index reported a weekly total return of 4.2%. The S&P 400 Midcap Index revealed a year-to-date total return of over 6.9%, showcasing a robust upward trend with strong volatility. Among sectors, consumer cyclical surged by 2.4% to a closing price of $1,828.99, showing some upward volatility. Meanwhile, utilities experienced a robust upward trend, gaining 3.99 points to close at 479.21. In sectors under pressure, energy dropped by 1.1% to 880.82. Healthcare also saw a minor decline, falling to 1,741.69. However, basic materials managed to close up slightly, continuing its very strong positive trend. Turning to global markets, Brazil achieved a new all-time high, closing at 40.54, up 2.4%. Similarly, Norway reached a fresh milestone, closing 2.4% higher. Both ETFs reflected a strong positive trend. Looking at returns, Turkey posted notable week-to-date returns of over 6%, exhibiting strong volatility. Norway showed impressive year-to-date returns exceeding 30.4%, having maintained a strong positive trend. Technology giants saw an upbeat performance. Apple closed at 260.49 with a modest rise of 1.59, marking its second consecutive day upward. Alphabet climbed to 316.37, enjoying a 4-day upward trend. Meanwhile, Amazon surged by a noteworthy 12.40 to end at 233.65, reflecting heightened volatility and strength in its ongoing positive trend. Meta Platforms advanced by 15.97 to close at 628.39, despite its mixed trend. Nvidia also continued its upward trajectory, closing at 183.94, maintaining a 7-day consecutive rise.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is on the rise, seeing an impressive jump to 72,414.99, with a gain of 1,329 or 1.8%. Meanwhile, Ethereum trends up at 2,219.61, adding 29.37. Despite the upbeat day, key players like BNB and Solana remained stuck in a persistent downward trend, though they show signs of a breakout. Focusing on returns, Bitcoin has shown a weekly total return of 4.94%, while Ethereum's weighs in at 5.23%. Despite these gains, the yearly picture sees both assets in the red, with Bitcoin down by 17.24% and Ethereum dipping further at 25.19%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is currently experiencing varied movements against key currencies. Against the euro, the dollar is down by 0.24 cents, marking a strong negative trend. Similarly, against the British pound, the dollar declined by 0.18 cents, maintaining a mixed negative trend. Conversely, the dollar strengthened against the Japanese yen, with an increase of 0.505 yen, exhibiting a mixed positive trend. For the Swiss franc, a 0.3 cent decline highlights a mixed positive trend. Lastly, the dollar's notable drop of 0.74 cents against the Australian dollar underscores a very strong negative trend.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.